Greetings! In this quick video, we will talk about the calendar view of the ticket list in Okdesk. This module allows you to evaluate the workload of your employees on any given day. The task of every manager is to ensure that the tickets are distributed equally among the employees and that the requests are fulfilled within the deadline set by the client. To achieve that, Okdesk features a unique calendar planning module, which provides 3 view modes: month, week, and day. Let's review each of them in more detail. To switch to the calendar view, find the calendar icon and choose the calendar mode. If the month mode is selected, all days of the current month are displayed. To switch between months, use the navigation buttons. For each day of the month, the number of tickets that must be resolved on this day is displayed. Employees may provide estimates for the time frame of their work when processing tickets. The number of evaluated tickets and estimated time of their fulfillment can be viewed in each day's cell. This is necessary to keep track of the total time to be invested to process all the tickets and not just the number of tickets themselves. Different tickets may require different amounts of time to fulfill. To see more information about a day's tickets, click the I information icon. Information about the tickets, sorted by type, will show up in a side window. Each cell has 2 lines visualizing the total workload that needs to be processed on that day. The first line reflects the number of tickets that must be processed on that day. The second line reflects the total time needed to process all the tickets on that day. Red lines indicate a high workload. Yellow lines indicate a medium workload. Green lines indicate a low workload. To reschedule tickets, click the day cell, grab the ticket, and drag it to the other day cell. Apart from manually created tickets, the calendar also displays planned tickets. These are created automatically and assigned to a specific date according to a set schedule. Click the day cell, and on your right you will see the information about all the tickets assigned to that day, both manually created tickets and planned ones. Very easy. The manager must not only distribute the tickets throughout the month, but also within each week. To do that, select the corresponding calendar mode. The current week will be displayed on your screen. You can switch between weeks too. On the left, you can see the names of work groups and names of employees within each group. You can collapse and expand those group lists at your convenience. You can configure the employee view mode by clicking the gear icon. In the mode configuration, you can select the employees or employee groups to be shown on the calendar screen. You can also turn off the group view here, or select a simplified calendar view. You can view all the information about all tickets assigned to any given day of the week in the corresponding cell, including the planned tickets, the number of evaluated tickets, and estimated times of fulfillment, sorted by employees or work groups assigned to the tickets. Unassigned tickets will appear in the line entitled "Has no responsible agent." Just like in month mode, you can also drag the tickets between different days to reassign them. In week mode, however, you can also reassign the tickets among the employees as well. Very useful. For more flexible work time scheduling, there is a day mode calendar view that allows for distributing the workload within any given day. To switch to day mode, select the corresponding calendar view. The current day will show up on the screen with a red vertical line indicating the current time. To move over to another time, drag the slider along the timeline, or use the hand palm when hovered over to move the timeline manually. You can configure the workgroup and employee view by clicking the gear icon. You can collapse and expand employee group lists at your convenience by clicking the icon next to the group name. For every employee and every group, the total number of tickets assigned to them, after all relevant filters have been applied, is indicated in the columns along with the number of tickets assigned for the day. Click the tile with the number, and the list of tickets will appear on the right. Tickets planned for a given day and specific time are displayed in lines. The color of each ticket's line corresponds to its priority. The beginning of the ticket is determined by the Scheduled For field, where the employees specify the time when they start working on the ticket. If this field is left blank and the ticket status is delayed, then the beginning of the ticket is set to the time to which it has been postponed. If the Scheduled For field is blank and the ticket doesn't have a delayed status, then the time at which the ticket was registered will be considered the time when it begins. Extent of the ticket in this mode is defined by its estimated fulfillment time. To change the estimated fulfillment time, grab the right end of the ticket and stretch it. To view the information about the ticket, click on it, and the information will appear on a panel on your right. If several tickets have been assigned to the same employee and the deadlines of their fulfillment are overlapping, the ticket can be moved around the timeline. You can collapse the line containing the tickets for a simplified view. Great! Calendar module is a surprisingly simple yet extremely handy and effective tool for even workload distribution among the employees and monitoring the ticket completion deadlines. Experience the ease of operation offered by Okdesk for yourself.